Namaste. India Meteorological Department brings you daily weather briefing for weather observed during past 24 hours and likely weather during next 24 hours. During past 24 hours, as we can see from the map given on this slide on the left hand side, we can see that widespread rainfall has been observed over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, West UP, Konkan Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and some Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and also Andaman and Nicobar Island. So, accordingly, the monsoon has remained vigorous over Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Konkan and Goa, and North Interior Karnataka. Over this light blue color, as we can see, this light blue color stands for active monsoon. So active monsoon conditions has remained over western Himalayan region, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Ladakh and Leh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, UP, East Rajasthan, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, South Interior Karnataka and Rayalaseema. Rest of the country has experienced normal monsoon activity except the Arunachal Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Lakshadweep, Saurashtra and Kutch and West Rajasthan where weak monsoon conditions has been observed. Monsoon is vigorous monsoon happens when the rainfall over a subdivision is more than 4 times the normal rainfall, and the monsoon is said to be active monsoon when the rainfall over the subdivision observed in 24 hours is 1.5 times greater than the normal rainfall. So here we can see that Uran of Raigad district of Konkan and Goa has observed 45 centimeter rainfall. Thane has observed 28 centimeter. Matheran 27 centimeter. Mormugao, Harnai 19 centimeter. And like that, if as we can see, the Delhi is observing rainfall activity since yesterday evening. So Mungespur, Najafgarh, Safdarjung, these all stations have observed, and Palam has observed heavy rainfall, reporting 10 centimeter over Mungespur, Najafgarh 9 centimeter, Safdarjung 7 centimeter, and Palam 10 centimeter. These are synoptic systems as of today, 19th of July. As we can see here, there is a cyclonic circulation over South Gujarat region in mid levels. There is offshore trough which is persisting since last 1 week of this Maharashtra Karnataka coast. There is a shear zone in mid levels along 17-degree latitude in mid levels, and here we can see that there is a scissor also over southwest UP, which is between 2.1, 3.1 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level, that we call as mid tropospheric levels. And the monsoon trough today, its western part is passing to the western part is passing through the normal position, and the eastern part is slightly to the north of its normal position. And the monsoon trough is the stations to which it is passing are Ganganagar, Narnaul, Gwalior, Banda, Churk, and then Gaya, and then Barhampur, and thence eastwards to Manipur. So under these synoptic conditions, as we can see, the monsoon trough is running towards western part is running along its normal position, and the winds from Arabian Sea are giving continuous moisture feed to this monsoon trough, and we have been observing rainfall activity over this East Rajasthan, Northwest MP, West UP, and Haryana and Western Himalayan region since yesterday. So this is the slide which shows that what is the heavy rainfall warning scenario for next 24 hours. So if we focus on the red color, then we can see that Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, are very likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places and light to moderate rainfall at most places during next 24 hours. And this Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan Goa are also very likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall during next 24 hours and light to moderate rainfall at most places. So this heavy and very heavy rainfall is very likely over West UP, Northeast Rajasthan, Northwest MP, and South Gujarat region. So this west coast activity is due to strong lower level winds hitting the west coast, and this northwest India plains of Haryana, West UP, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, J&K, and Uttarakhand, and northern parts of East Rajasthan and Northwest MP. This is due to strong moisture feed from lower levels from Arabian Sea into the monsoon trough, which is passing through, which western part is passing through its normal position. And over rest parts of the country, as we can see, since we are passing through active phase of the monsoon condition, so over rest parts of the country during the next 24 hours, isolated heavy rainfall is likely over almost all subdivisions except over West Rajasthan and Saurashtra and Kutch. So here, heavy rainfall, we say the station has received a heavy rainfall in 24 hours. If the rainfall is between 7 to 11 centimeter, and it is called very heavy rainfall accumulated during 24 hours. If it is between 12 and 20 centimeter, and it is called extremely heavy rainfall if the rainfall is greater than 20 centimeter. This we can see as this is radar animation of Delhi. As we can see, the clouds are hovering over Delhi, and this is the northerly winds are coming from north of Delhi, and southerly winds are coming from south of Delhi from Arabian Sea, and both winds are converging as we have just seen that monsoon trough is passing just to the south of Delhi. So this is north and northerly and southerly winds are converging over here, and that's why rainfall is continuing over NCR region since yesterday's evening, and it is very likely to continue during next 24 hours as well. So for Delhi, our forecast is moderate rainfall during next 24 hours over the entire uh, Delhi NCR region, and isolated heavy rainfall may also be experienced at isolated places over Delhi NCR region. And this is the weather graphic scenario for next 5 days for the entire country, as we have discussed for day one. So on day two, as we have just seen that on day two, the rainfall activity, intense rainfall activity is over this region, northwest parts of northwest India is going to be decreased. And as we can see, we have reduced the color code from red to orange. So heavy to very heavy rainfall isolated places is likely over Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir on tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, the rainfall activity would decrease entirely, and only light to moderate rainfall at a few places, at scattered places with isolated heavy rainfall would be probable from 21st July onwards. And as far as this our East Rajasthan, West MP region is concerned, and West UP, so isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall today would decrease to isolated heavy rainfall, and thereafter this activity would further decrease, because the western part of the monsoon trough, which is along its normal position, is very likely to shift gradually towards to the north of normal position by tomorrow, and by 21st it would be shifted entirely to the uh, north of its normal position. But the southern part of the eastern part of the monsoon trough is which is slightly to the north of its normal position, is likely to shift southwards from 21st, and then in view of likely formation of a low pressure area over northwest Bay of Bengal on 23rd of July, this eastern part of the monsoon trough would shift southwards of its normal position, and rainfall activity over South Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Telangana, and East MP region is very likely to increase from day 5, that is from 23rd of July, and that's why we have given isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall for these regions, for Telangana, Vidarbha, East MP, and South Chhattisgarh region from 23rd of July. And as far as this Konkan and Goa west coast is considered, so extremely heavy rainfall warning is today for next 24 hours, and thereafter it would decrease into heavy to very heavy rainfall for subsequent 3-4 days. So that's all for today's weather briefing, and we are available on both Android and iOS platforms. Our apps, Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app, and our website, as you are well aware of that, mosam.imd.gov.in. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and our blog is imdweather1875.wordpress.com. So please be in touch and keep visiting all these platforms. Thank you very much. Tomorrow again we will be there in with the weather briefing for next 24 hours. Thank you.